Hey guys, Ruby Ryan JKU here. The other day I did a unboxing of the Novoo portable power pack, and I thought of a good use for it, and it'd be a good way to test it for my review. So what I've been doing, I have an RC crawler, and I decided to hook up and try and see how many batteries I could charge from it. I figured I'd get 2 or 3 and it would be dying. This is battery 3 right here. I'm halfway through charging, and as you can see, it's moved 1 notch. I'm pretty impressed so far. I'm guessing based on that, at least 12, 15 charges I could probably get, which is awesome for a day, out in the field where you don't have power readily available and want to keep running. You could actually charge a couple of yours and your buddies, a few times and be able to drive all day. So I don't like using my power inverter on my Jeep or the Jeep's battery, especially when I'm way away from anywhere, to continually charge it. So I figured, why not try this out? And I have to say I'm pretty impressed with it so far. I'm going to, after this one here, I have one more in there. I'm out of uncharged batteries to try, so I'll have to either guesstimate on it or try to run some down and keep going with it. But it's been doing great so far. I charged it up a couple days ago. It's been sitting in my garage, which we're at the end of winter here in Michigan, so it's been 30 to 50 degrees the last 2 days, and I had used it a little bit trying some different lights and stuff, which probably took a little bit of the juice out of it. And it's still, I don't know if there's 5 bars, so I don't know if that's 4 or 1/5 of it used, or how, if it drops a little faster as it gets lower. So I'm going to keep playing with it to see, but so far so good. Definitely worth checking it out. There's a promo code, I think, right now on Amazon, so it's about 180 bucks. And to be able to get that many charges, that's a full day of playing with your truck out in the field. So definitely check it out. Thanks, guys.